Hello guys, my name is Dilip and today we'll be going through few problems on synthesis of 4-bar mechanism. Now, let us look at our first problem. It says that we will be designing a 4-link mechanism to coordinate the following three positions of the coupler point. The positions are given with respect to the coordinate axis. They are R1 equals to 55 mm, R2 equals to 70 mm, R3 is equals to 75 mm with the respective angular positions as 75 degrees, 50 degrees and 40 degrees. We'll be designing it using a path generation technique. Now, their angular displacement of the input links are given as theta 1 2 equals to 30 degrees and theta 1 3 is equals to 70 degrees. Let us go through the solution. Now, first of all, we'll be choosing a base point A and we'll be locating the points E1, E2, E3 of length 55 mm, 70 mm and 75 mm with angular positions as 75 degrees, 50 degrees and 40 degrees respectively. Now we will be rotating the line joining A E2 in an anticlockwise direction of the given angular displacement of theta 1 2 equals to 30 degrees. Similarly, we will be rotating the line joining A E3 in the anticlockwise direction of about 70 degrees. We'll be marking the 2 points we now got as E2 prime and E3 prime. Next, we'll be drawing the perpendicular bisectors to the line joining the points E3 prime, E2 prime and E1, E2 prime. Now, these two perpendicular bisectors intersect at a point. Now, let us name this point as B1. Then, draw a line from A joining the point B1. Now, with the given length of equals to A B1, we'll be drawing another 2 points which are at an angular distances at an angular displacement of 30 degrees and 70 degrees respectively, and we'll be naming them as B2 and B3. Now we'll be selecting a suitable link for the pivot and we will be getting a fixed link AD. Now we'll be drawing two congruent triangles for the triangle B2 E2D, which will be on another base of B1 E1. This can be drawn using the arc lengths E2D, B2D. They will be intersecting at D2 when drawn from E1 and B1 respectively. Similarly, we will be drawing another congruent triangle which is congruent to B3 E3D on the base B1 E1. We will be marking the third point as D3. Later, we will be drawing perpendicular bisectors to the line joining the points D3, D2 and D2, D. These two will be intersecting at a point C1. Now draw the lines joining A, B1, B1, C1 and C1, D. This A, B1, C1, D is our required 4-bar link mechanism.